Ghana's Starboy Kudus Mohammed has once again extended a helping hand to those in need through his Kudus Dream project. The West Ham United midfielder donated food items, snacks, beverages, undisclosed amount of money, among other essentials, to the Teshie Children's Home and Rahma Islamic Orphanage, both in the Greater Accra region. According to the project coordinator, Yusuf Suleiman, the donation was aimed at supporting the less privileged and bringing joy to those who need it the most.
Kudus and the Kudus Dream thought it wise to do some little outreach to the less privileged, and where we were able to focus our attention was the orphanage. So some of the things that Kudus donated to them are provisions made up of toiletries and food items like rice, oats, a whole lot of list. This is a little that he can help the less privileged. Yes. My final words are we are begging on all those that are doing well in our community. When they are there, they should look back and help the less privileged.
The children and staff at the Teshie Children's Home and the Rahma Islamic Orphanage were overwhelmed with gratitude, expressing their heartfelt thanks to Kudus for his generosity. Kudus Mohammed's selfless act is a shining example of the positive impact that individuals can have on their communities. His commitment to giving back and supporting those in need is truly inspiring and a testament to the power of kindness and compassion.
HAFIZ TV, unique every day.